Okay, people, this is my first video. Thanks to my wonderful husband, Wizwazzle, for teaching me how to do this. This is a Task Force aluminum. It's one of his blocks. He got it as a gift or a trade or something from someone. Not sure who. But it's been nice enough to teach me how to do this. So hopefully I can help somebody else learn. Feather light tension. Just a little rake. The pins in this are really soft springs, I guess. It'll take a little while this time. My first video, so bear with me. And there it is. See that? Task Force aluminum. And I'm using a special little rake that was provided by my wonderful partner, Wizwazzle. Thanks everybody for watching. Don't use it to break the law. And only pick locks that you're allowed to pick. Bye.